Thank you for visiting Circle Infinity, where customer service means making your car buying experience as easy and enjoyable as possible.
Circle Infinity knows you want more in a car. You expect the best from your vehicle. Check out this Ocean Mist Metallic 05 Honda Odyssey minivan, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with only 84,336 miles. Enjoy this utility van with features like windows, rear defogger, windows, rear wiper, intermittent, windows, privacy glass, power windows, front wipers, intermittent, exterior mirrors, heated, rear spoiler, seats, passenger seating, 8 seats, front seat type, captain's chairs, rear seats, captain's chairs, tachometer, electroluminescent instrumentation, security, anti-theft alarm system, and much more. Get where you need to go, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this '05 Honda Odyssey. See us at Circle Infinity today.
At Circle Infinity, you'll find a number of ways that we make customer service the basis of buying and owning a car. Come on by and you won't be disappointed.